All right, we're going to draw a teacher. And I'm going to draw a girl teacher this time. But not every teacher is a girl. Some teachers are boys. But let's start together. And we're going to start with a circle, a big circle right here. Now watch how I draw mine. I'm going to start on this side and go around. You can start on either side you need to, but draw a big circle like this. Kind of like actually more of an oval. Yeah. And so when you think about drawing people, you want to draw shapes. Okay? So we're going to do that for the head. Off that, we're going to have two lines that come down. Now watch. It comes down on one side and comes down on the other side. I want to leave room on the bottom because we're going to give her some legs. Okay? And we're going to connect those together with a curved line. This is like a cartoon teacher. All right, and then off of that, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 legs. Or, well, 3 lines for the legs. That's good. I'm going to scoot your paper up just a little bit. Okay. All right, now we're going to connect those across with some curved lines. Great. All right, off of that, I'm going to do a curved line out to the side. And one on the other side, too. And then, watch this. We're actually going to take this middle line and we're going to bump it down a little bit. Take that middle line, bring it down just a little bit. Yep. And then you're going to connect that out to those ones on the outside.
What is this?
What do those look like?
I don't know.
You don't know? All right, those are our feet, our shoes. Ooh. All right, on the side of our teacher, we're going to do a diagonal line that comes on out. And then we're going to do that diagonal line coming right back in. And then we're going to do 1, 2, 3 bumps. Nice. All right, and I'm going to do a little line right there, just a little dash for the arm. Yep. And then on the other side, we're going to do a line out, just like we did over here. And then we're going to go up. Nice. And then over here, now this is going to be the same distance, so it's going to come down like this. And then back up. Great, nice. All right, and that's going to be our teacher. They're going to be pointing at something on the board. Okay, so watch this. We're going to do a curve, almost back, and then stop. Like a curly Q line. Yep. And then off of that, we're going to do a big bump. Wow, that's a nice finger. And then we're going to do a big curved line that comes back and touches in our thumb. Yep, and then off of that, we're going to do another bump. And then after that, we're going to just bump that right. We're going to curve that and connect it right back into the wrist. Nice. And so that's our teacher's hand. And our teacher could be pointing at anything on that board. All right, so we said that this was going to be girl teacher. Right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start right in the middle here. Yep, right in the middle, and we're going to do like an A line like that. And then I'm going to curve that right over to the side of my head on both sides. Nice, and then up at the top, we're going to put a little circle. And then off of that, only on one side, I'm going to make another bump line down. And then over here, I'm going to make a little swoop up and out like that. What does that look like?
Ew.
Her hair, that's right, that's her hair. All right, and so we're going to actually draw some lines that go up like so. Draw your cut down there. Yep, yep, and probably another one, you can do another one right there. Okay, let's do a little nose. What can we do for our nose? We're going to do a little curved line right in the middle of our face like that. All right, and then we're going to do some eyes. So we gave her kind of bangs here. I'm going to do a line down out of the eye, out of the head, yep, and another line down like this. And then a line across that connects them. And then on the other side, a line down, a line down, and a line that connects them. Nice. And then we're going to draw a rainbow line right there on both of our eyes. And we're going to draw a little circle in that. So color that in right there, like so. You color yours? Yep, good. All right, and then let's give our teacher a mouth. So we're going to go right underneath this eye, curve right over to underneath that eye. All right, and then I'm going to do little curved lines on the sides. Yep, and then we're going to do another smile line underneath it. And then we're going to put a little tongue in there, like a bump for a letter M. Nice, and then color all that in. Okay. Now our teacher could be putting in anything. We could draw a little square over here. Start right at this arm. Go up. Yeah. And then over here, go across. And you could draw your teacher anywhere you want it to be, doing anything you want her to be doing. All right, let's draw some ears here, and then I think we'll be done. An ear is like a C. Ooh, what do you got your teacher teaching?
About people not trying to fall out of windows.
That's a good lesson. Try not to fall out of windows. Let's put some ears on our teacher there. Our teacher looks very young. All right, you ready to color her in? And you guys can use whatever colors you want, whatever you have available. We're going to use colored pencils. And are you ready, Jay?
Yeah.
Great job.
Then let's make our signature.
All right, there we are. Now we got to sign them. Oh, you need your marker?
My marker is this one.
Perfect. Right down in the bottom right, we'll put our signature. I love your signature.